नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स। नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई JVN डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्यतंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, क्लिनिकल कंसल्टेंट इन सूर्यांश आरोग्यशाला, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous class, we discussed about general introductory part of surgical instrument. As you read if in previous class, there are different types of surgical instrument like needle holders, Ellis forceps, tissue holding forceps, retractors, clamps, and seizures, forceps, etc. So student, today's session we will discuss about Ellis forceps. Student, in this picture as you can see, this is the Ellis forceps. About the features, as you know, there are three part of Ellis forceps. First one is proximal part, this one is middle part, and this one is distal part. Okay students, there are three parts. First part, in this picture, this is the first, and this is the Ellis forceps. Okay students, the first part, this is the proximal part. Proximal part has two rings. These are the rings, two rings, two oval-shaped rings on proximal part, and ratchets. These are the and this is the ratchet. Ratchet has three locks. As you can see, there are three locks: lock first, lock second, lock third. Three locks. Then holds rings. By these rings, we can hold this instrument properly and support its handle. Then after distal middle part of the Ellis forceps, middle part of Ellis forceps has joint. This is called joint of the Ellis forceps. Okay, student. After the middle part, this is called the distal parts of the Ellis forceps. Distal parts of Ellis forceps has two large blades. These two large blades, these are the blades, blade 1, blade 2. Two large blades blades of the distal part is simple, and tip of the blades. So this is the tip of the blade. Tip of the blade has tooth on each blades. These are the tooths, friend. As you can see, these are the tooth. These are the tooths of on tip of distal blades of the Ellis forceps. These tooths are well opposed well opposed to each other. वेल अपोज टू ईच अदर मीन्स इसके टूथ सामने वाले ब्लेड के टूथ के वेल अपोज होंगे एंड फिक्स लाइक दिस, एंड ये इस तरह फिक्स होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर working this instrument, blades have gap between distal parts. Blades have gap between each blades. As you can see, this is the space and this is the gap between two blades. This gap is beneficial to hold of tissue of instrument, tissue of the body. So students, these are the features of Ellis forceps. This is the diagram of Ellis forceps, as you can see. And the diagram, this is called the Ellis tissue holding forceps. Name of the instrument is Ellis tissue holding forceps. Identification features of instrument, as you can see, there are three parts: proximal part, middle part, and distal part. Proximal part has two rings and rachets. Lock on these rachets. Middle part has joint. Distal parts have two blades which have tips, and tip has got teeth in each blade which are opposing. Uses of instrument, it is used to hold. Now we will discuss about the uses of the instrument. It is used to hold skin, flaps, fascia, aponeurosis and blade roll. This instrument can hold skin flaps, cut flaps of the skin. जो अपने स्किन कट किए उसके जो फ्लैप्स है उनके एंड्स को होल्ड करने में. फेसिया लाइक जैसे डिनोवर फेसिया, स्पाइनोसिस फेसिया, अनदर फेसिया ऑफ बॉडी. एपोन्यूरोसिस इज द muscles bundle of conjoined bundles of muscles. Bladder roll, during bladder surgery we can hold by this Ellis forceps the bladder roll. Okay, instrument. Ellis forceps. This is also called Ellis clamp, because this instrument can clamp the structures for purpose of holding. The Ellis clamp is a surgical instrument with sharp teeth used to hold or grasp heavy tissue. It is also used to grab fascia and soft tissue such as breast or bowel tissue. Ellis clamps can cause damage, so they are often used in tissue about to be removed. Means this is the traumatic instrument. Teeth of this instrument can cause damage. When used to grasp the cervix to stabilize the uterus, such as when an intrauterine device is being inserted, an Ellis clamp has the advantage of causing less bleeding than the more commonly used tenaculum. So students, this is all about the Ellis forceps. This is also called Ellis clamp or Ellis tissue holding forceps. So students, I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comments box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.